Here is a Galaxy. Galaxy. I think this is a 3713 maybe. I don't know, I'm not too familiar with these models. I'm not too familiar with just Lasko models in general. The only ones that I know are the slightly later ones in the 90s. I believe this one's a 91, 92, early 90s. It was just after the square frame. Obviously this is square, but it was after the sharp edge. It was after that style. That's Lakewood. But yeah, anyway, well, I'll start up on low. Go medium. And go to high. And go to off. Ignore that. Anyway, that's it, and until next time.